Well, it's a busy morning here at Overdevest. We're shipping out plants all over the northeast to garden centres. Lots of really attractive and pretty plants for our gardens. And right here on the front of this wagon, I wanted to show you this fantastic variety of heavenly bamboo. This is Nandina Tuscan Flame, a really spectacular, compact growing variety that, as you see, has really pretty foliage now in springtime. What's really interesting about nandinas is that they look nothing like you would consider them to be, because these are members, believe it or not, of the berberis family, the prickly berberis family. They look more like a bamboo with this lovely kind of lacy foliage. And in springtime, this variety turns this spectacular color. Then later on, the leaves will go from this fiery scarlet red through to a deeper red, and then eventually through to oranges, and then eventually through to green. And then by the time late summer comes around and we start to get into shorter nights and cooler temperatures, then it starts turning back to magnificent autumn colors again. All in a plant that only gets to about 3 to 4 foot high and makes a really lovely, elegant looking little rounded plant, perfect for putting into foundation plantings, mixing into beds and borders. I love this when you put it next to, say, courtyards and patio areas, somewhere where you're looking to get that nice lacy, almost Japanesey look to a bed or a border. Wonderful for softening down areas. Now, what I also find is that in mild localities, this will be evergreen through pretty much most of the year. If it's in a colder, more exposed area, it tends to lose its leaves and then come back again in springtime. So what I'd suggest, if you're thinking about growing this plant, is to try to find, if you can, a sheltered location for it. It will grow in sun or a partially shaded site. I like to grow this in a partially shaded site, somewhere where it gets protection from the hot afternoon sun. If you give it a little bit more light, that's when you'll get more of this really spectacular color. Give it more shade, it will still grow well, it'll grow a little bit more upright and a little bit wider, but it will also be a little bit more muted in its color. So what's interesting about this variety is that it's a selection that was found by our friend R.J. Tancredi at Alpha Nurseries in Oregon. We've been growing this variety now for, I'm sure, 5 or 6 years. We really love it. We think that it's a really beautiful plant with at least 3 and probably 4 seasons of interest and lots of very pretty color. This is Nandina Tuscan Flame.